A few days ago, I got the sensor delivered to me, which is an electrochemical ethanol sensor that is supposed to estimate alcohol vapor level in the air. Most alcohol sensor modules use MQ3 or some similar sensors which operate using semiconductors. These tend to be bad and are not used in, for example, professional breathalyzers. This one uses an electrochemical cell and, in theory, should provide more precise reading compared to MQ3. The sensor came with this female wire and has a GST connector on it, as well as pinholes for power, ground, and TXRX, as it uses UART protocol. More information on this sensor for those who are interested can be found in the datasheet. The link will be somewhere, maybe. So let's wire it up through the pinholes, as I do not have compatible GST connector on any of my microcontrollers or tools to take the wires out. So let's connect the wires to pinholes like this, so they stay in place and do not disconnect. And then let's run some code. This is a simple Arduino IDE library I am writing right now for the sensor. Will be accessible in my GitHub. One thing about the sensor is that it seems like it needs to be calibrated, or should I say, set a baseline for it before using. Since, as you can see, my clean air readings are 108.40, even though they should stay around the zero right now, I think. But if I do spray a little perfume on my glove, then it does react to it accordingly, I guess. So I guess I'd have to buy more of them to make sure. I mean, I'll have to do it anyways for my project, so fuck it.